Hey everybody, how's it going? For the past 7 years, I have advocated in favor of right to repair. It is a concept that the manufacturer of a device should not have a monopolistic stranglehold on your ability to repair the products that you own. There are many ways within which my arguments and what I advocate for has been mischaracterized. Whether people advocate that I am for loosening the security of these devices or making them more unsafe or destroying them, I've thought that I heard it all until recently.
If Question 1 passes in Massachusetts, anyone could access the most personal data stored in your vehicle. The Federal Trade Commission warns your address could be paired with your garage codes to give easy access to your home. Domestic violence advocates say a sexual predator could use the data to stalk their victims. Vote no on 1. Keep your data safe.
Tommy Hickey, director of Massachusetts Right to Repair Coalition, says, "This is really a fight for Massachusetts consumers. Without this information, people may lose the choice to bring their car to an independent shop. That somehow this is going to result in you being raped in your house by a creepy man." Right to repair is no longer right to repair, it's right to rape. That's what we're advocating for. The ability to break into your home and fuck you without your consent. I've been told for a very long time that anger is bad. It's something to be ashamed of, looked down on, and discouraged. I disagree. I think acting irrationally is something that should be looked down on. I think that acting violently is something that should be discouraged. But I don't think there's anything wrong with anger. Anger, in my opinion, is simply the first line of defense of your human dignity when someone seeks to strip it from you. Let's say by implying that your industry is filled with rapists that are advocating that the law allow one to rape with impunity. I think that anger is an excellent emotion to ensure that we don't allow ourselves as a society to be stripped of our rights and our human dignity, so long as it is done in a peaceful fashion. Not mostly peaceful, I mean actually peaceful. This is what we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is we are going to go over the individuals and the companies who are funding the Coalition for Safe and Secure Data so that you understand who is propagandizing you. We are going to go over the people who are backing this so that you understand what it is that you stand to lose as a community if people don't vote yes on Question 1. We are then going to educate the voters of Massachusetts so that they understand what it is they are actually voting for rather than being scared away by a commercial with some scary music behind it. And we're going to do that in Massachusetts. Then we're going to reproduce that and win all over the country. It is one thing to say that certain texts may not be experienced and may do this, that, or the other, or you want access to a part and we don't want to sell you it. It is another to imply that our entire industry is advocating for and in favor of domestic abuse, violence, and rape. It ends now. You are going to lose. And as you lose, you are going to hear the sound of my voice the entire way without some bullshit little backing track behind it to make you feel scared. But you should, because the world is about to see you for who you are. That's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.